So, good morning, sir. Good day, sir. My name is DJL Naong, and I am from Bachelor of Science of Technology 1H. So, today I'm going to um, discuss how assess modifiers work. So, what is assess modifier? So, assess modifier is in Java. It helps the modifiers to restrict the scope of a class, constructor, variable, method, or data member. It provides security, accessibility, etc. to the user depending upon the access modifier used with the element. So, ang access modifier is, muna siya mga keywords na pwede na itong i-add para naa sila yung mga meaning or function. So, natay upat or four types of methods, which is the private, default, protected, and public. So, in private, the private ay muna siya ang limited na scope at pwede na po niya siya sa loob sa class ay susulod lang siya sa class and dili siya maka-access sa within the package, outside the package by subclass, and outside the package. So, ma-access ang mga private data lang member ay o mga private data, mga methods accessible lang siya sa sulod sa class. O dito ulit or dili nato siya mainumduman once ang kung natay private modifier kay maka-access lang ta sa sulod sa class ug dili ta maka-interact sa uban or sa labas. Next is ang default. So ang default modifier kay dili kayo siya klaro or mag-declare kay maka-access lang ni siya sa within the class and sa package. Dili siya maka-access sa outside package and sa mga child class or ang subclass. So, next is ang protected modifier. Ang protected modifier kay makasakop lang ni siya sa sulod sa package ug labas sa package through sa kuan subclass. Pero dili ni siya maka-access sa outside package. Next is public, which is ang public is malawak or tanan sakop niya tanan ang mga modifier o visible po ni siya sa tanan. So, nakoy code dili which is the variables kung unsa pag-declare sa variables o ang methods. So, morning sa private, so private ang modifier, then string ang type o ang variable na private modifier. Then sa default kay string, default, modifier. Wala tay nakabutang na default kay wala man siya specify. Makita lang nato na ang default is magamit lang siya or mabutang lang nato siya sa switch case. Next is ang protected string, protected modifier, yeah. Then ang type na string o ang protected modifier ang variable. The next is ang public then string o public modifier. So, muna siya ang mga variables. Next is ang methods. So, muna siya ang pag-declare sa mga methods. So, magamit lang tag void, ani. Then, ang private, muna siya ang atong modifier, then void, type sa atong method, and private modifier. The next, ang default, mura lang Japon, void, then ang variable na default modifier. Then, protected modifier, then void, protected modifier. Next is ang public void and public modifier. Pag mo lang na po, then i-report sa akong kagrupo ang mga types ani on how it works.
Hello everyone, I'm Dave and today we're gonna be learning about the private access modifier. So a private access modifier can only be accessed within the class. So outside of the class or within the package or outside of the packages, it cannot be accessed. So unlike public and other classes, it can be accessed within the package, but the private access modifier can only be accessed within the class. So let's try making a private method here. Let's call it the static void method, void private method, and let's say it turns out this is a private method. Then let's try to call our private method. This is a private method, so it turns out the private method. But what if you make another class, right? We have created a new class and let's try making a static void method 2. So this is outside the main method. Let's say this is outside the main method. Let's try if we can run the method 2, right? So that method 2, it doesn't have any class because method 2 has private access in new class. Okay, it is a private. Let's try creating a public void method 3. So this is a public static void. It's not a private access modifier, so we say this is outside the main method. This is a public method. What if we say new class dot just method 3 but not method 2? Why? Because only it is only a private access modifier, and yeah, that's pretty much the access modifier. So if you run this, we'll get this is a private method and this is a public method. So we cannot run private methods outside of the class but only within the class, right? So we cannot run it within the package or through a subclass. But yeah, that's what the private access modifier can only be accessed through and within the class only, right? Thank you.
Good day, I'm Siren Ganloy. My assign was all about public modifier. So, ang public modifier kay mo ni siya ang maka-access sa tanan sa outside or inside the package, inside or outside of the class, or sa mga subclass tanan. So, like for example, mag-implement ka o like for example, mm, create ka o mga katulad ng tiyalat, ng tiyalat, then variable nga a, then equals new, new ng tiyalat, then ng tiyalat, So walang error man ni. So para di siya mag-error, magbuhat ta og another class. So mag-create tag another class para mawala ang error niya. So create tag another class then ato ibutang diri kay nonchalant. So finish. So kaya ko diri. Di ba? Wala siya yung error kay because murag create tag new class with the name nonchalant. So ako ta diri mag-prompt lang ta diri og SQT then SQT A grade and SQT gyapon ka diri A dot subject. So again, para dili mag-error again, delete matuta sa maadto ta sa nagsalat nga class. So mag-implement ta diri og para kung matawagon to nasa main na so mag-create ta diri og public int grade equals to 90. Then public int subject equals to 4. So, ako yung lang public kay maka-access siya sa lain class. So, walang ibuhat. So, ang ibuhat, kani nga ko ang grade is gitawag, gitawag sa lain class aning it's because naka-public na siya. Kung i-run nato ni siya, dito ta sa run sa main. Kaya di siya makaran dito sa another class because sa main jud siya dapat. I-run nato. Mga 93 because dito na to siya gitawag sa class nga nonchalant. Magitawag lang siya dito sa main. Diba? Wala na sa public modifier. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Mael Mosqueda from base IT1H. Today I'll be implementing a code from a protected access modifier. Sige. First kay buhat og class. Protected. So, what is sa kanang protected? So, protected is a access modifier from Java that can be accessed only within the same package. Pwede ra different subclass pero same package lang ang gamiton. So, mura ra siya private pero ang private is same class ra gyud nimo ma-access. Siya kay maka-access ka within the same package. So, this is our main class. Tapos buhat ta og subclass. So, kibali same package naman sila, so ma-access ni sa protected nga class ang ganing sa subclass na ako nga class. So I'll be adding 2 variable sa pag-implement ani nga code. Ay mag-extend patag kuan para extend na to ang protected nga class para mabasa niya ang code nga nasa subclass. So this is our instance atong code nga naay variable nga obj ay num na lang sa natog num since number man natong ikuan add. Next is butang tag dito magbutang sa tong i-add para buat sa tag function. So return type method ang gigamit dere para mas dali ra masabtan. So inig mabasa na ni diri, inig run on niya, i-return niya ang kaning variable a ug b. Implement tag ko ano. Dot add ma-access na sa kuan protected ang ma-access sa main class ang kaning gibuhat nato nga code sa subclass. So i-add na to is kuan and so whole number ani kay int man natong gigamit o taga double, so dili siya mo kuan og decimal. Pag mag-decimal dadari mag-error na siya. Kay whole number man. So try na to run. Nara 13. Again, maka-access sa subclass ang mga protected nga access modifier sa subclass na siya access dili sa lain nga package. That's all. Thank you.
So good day. Ako day si Bundi Munton and I will be discussing the default access modifier. Ang default access modifier, also known as a package private access, means that the member of a class are accessible only within the same package. If no access modifier is explicitly stated, Java uses the default access level. So I have an example of a default access modifier para masabtan pa. So kani nga code is a class defined, which is class person. This person class is defined without any access modifier. By default, it is a package private, meaning it is accessible only to other classes within the same package. So in this code, field declaration, which is the string f name equals to John, string name 1 do, string email, which is the example johndoe.com, and then int age is equal to 25. Lastly, these fields, open and close parenthesis, name, f name of l name, email, and age. Kato is those are also packaged private by default, since no explicit access modifier is specified. They are also accessible only within the classes in the same package. So the main method, which is the public static void main string.args, the main method is declared public, meaning is can be called from any other classes regardless of the package lang. So next is the object instantiation, which is the person my object equals to new person. Now in this, within the main method, an instance of the person class is created. This instance is named, which is the name is kaning name ani is my object. Now let's move on to accessing field, which is the printing of this variable, which is the system.out.println name plus my object f name, and then plus the plus my object l name. And then next we have to make an system.println the email plus my object that email. Next is the system.printout Japon the age. Next is the system.out.print gahapon, which is the age na plus my object that age. Now in this block of code, the field of the person object, my object, are accessed directly. Since the main method is within the same class, it has access to this package private fields. In this specific example, the default access modifier doesn't restrict any functionality because all the code is within the same class. However, if another class is in the same package wanted to access this field, it could do so directly. If the field were intended to be accessed outside the package, you would need to declare them public. Conversely, if you wanted to restrict access even within the same package, you could use the private or protected method. Kato lang akong part sa default access modifier. Thank you.